Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rosa. Today I'm bringing to you a quick and easy recipe for Oreo mousse. So I'm starting off with 4 cartons of heavy cream. Each carton is 200 milliliters, so in a total that would be 800 milliliters of heavy cream. I'm going to be using my stand mixer, but you can use a hand mixer if you would like. It's up to you. So I'm just going to put this on medium-high, and you're going to beat the heavy cream until it's fluffy and firm. While the heavy cream is beating, I'm going to be preparing the rest of my ingredients. So I just split up 2 packages of Oreo cookies. In a total, I think there are 16 cookies here. I separate the cookie and the cream part, and I put each of them into their own bowl. Then I grab half a can of condensed milk and I mix it in with the cream of the cookie, and that goes into the microwave to melt. You have to mix it a few times in between melting. Next, I'm going to be crushing the cookies. I'm just using this manual food processor, and I'm crushing the cookies into cookie crumbs. Once your cookies are crushed, set them aside because you'll need them later, and check up on your cream to make sure it's all melted. Once that is done, all we have to do is wait on our heavy cream. Our heavy cream is going to take around 10 minutes to fluff up. Here I was just checking it, and it still wasn't as fluffy as I wanted it to be, so just give it time because it's important that it's nice and fluffy. Alright, so finally it's ready, and now we're going to be taking off the whisk, and we're going to be removing the bowl from the stand mixer because we are not going to be using the stand mixer anymore. I'm going to pour in the cream, and then we're going to fold it in with the spatula. It's important not to mix and instead fold because you might take the air out of the heavy cream, and you don't want to do that. You want to keep it fluffy. Next, I'm going to be adding in the rest of that condensed cream. If you could remember, I didn't put the whole can in with the creams of the cookies. I just put in half. And the reason for that was because now, if you didn't want to add in the rest of the condensed cream, and if it was sweet enough for you, you didn't have to. But if you think you want it a little bit more sweet, you can just go ahead and add in the rest of that condensed milk. Next is the cookie crumbs. Don't add it all in. Make sure you leave some cookie crumbs to decorate. Just a reminder, fold and do not mix. So now that it's finished, I'm going to be putting the mousse in some serving bowls. This recipe gave me up to 10 serving bowls, or you could just opt into putting it all into one big serving bowl and serving it like that. Next, I'm just going to smooth off the tops of the mousse with a spoon. This mousse needs to be refrigerated for at least 1 hour, or you could just leave it overnight and serve it the next day. Here, as you can see, I'm just putting the cookie crumbs into a plastic container because I'm only going to be putting the cookie crumbs on the mousse right before serving it, just so that the crumbs don't get soggy. So just as I said, right before serving, you sprinkle on the cookie crumbs. It gives it a nice look, nice texture, and most importantly, this dessert is so delicious. So that's a wrap for this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!